Cruise operators use Magicman because they need to protect the aesthetic appearance of their asset. In an increasingly competitive market, this is becoming even more important. Previously to utilising our services, shipborne staff would disguise the damage with paints and fillers, which was not acceptable to the passengers and the cruise operator. Magicman's most valuable provision to the cruise industry is that of riding crews, teams of men who will travel anywhere in the world for 1 to 2 weeks to maintain the aesthetic appearance of the cruise operator's asset. Magicman repair all damage to hard surfaces, chips, dents, cracks, splits in cabins, common areas. We can repair them almost invisibly, which save time and money. Magicman also provides a survey service whereby we will fly out to the ship and survey the ship over a 24-hour period to identify the areas that can be repaired. It is then for the cruise operator to tell us exactly what areas they do want repaired. This saves them sending staff all over the world. When you repair something, you're repairing an original item, and there is very minimal waste in our repair techniques. If you were going to replace an item, then you'd have to manufacture that item, transport that item. All these processes involve the emission of greenhouse gases and time and money. If we can lessen any impact on the environment, then repairing and restoration is the way to go rather than replacement.
My name is Wayne Bowers. I'm head of sales for Magicman. The cruise industry is massive. It's grown from 7 million passengers in 2000 to what's expected to be 29 million passengers in 2019. Customer satisfaction is paramount importance to our cruise operators. Magicman add value by bringing a reputation of a +75 Net Promoter Score to the cruise market, thereby adding further confidence to our operators.
Operators should be using Magicman because we save them a significant amount of time over replacement of damaged items, of money, that's certainly less expensive than replacement. And we're maintaining the aesthetic appearance of their most important assets, which ultimately reflects in the passenger feedback.
Cruise is very important to the global image of Magicman. It takes our brand name around the world.